everyone, this is Selena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Island Oasis cutout die. It's part of the Sweet Summer Celebration release. So let's take a closer look. This is a single cutout die, and it will cut out the negative pieces in the palm tree window semicircle image. It measures approximately 3.25 by 2.8 inches and allows you to layer images or color behind, or also you can create a shaker card. So here's a sample I did. I used black cardstock, and on the background I have ink blended some colors on white cardstock. So here are also a few samples from our creative team. We have different scenes in the back. You can see here we have the little boat. And thank you so much for stopping by. Also, don't forget to visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!